Hold it together. Hold it together. Hold it together.
How are you so cute?
Hi. 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 Oh, lick the face. Lick the face. Eat it. Eat it.
That's all I wanted for Chewy. Oh my god.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
Good morning, Mai. Your food is ready. Come here. No way. I'll give your food to Ruby if you don't come.
You want it? Oh! He's still dead.
Are you gonna tell him or should I tell him?
Let's both tell them.
Okay, let's go. Ryder,
Ryder, you can't go bye-bye with us this weekend.
you gotta stay home. You gotta stay home, is that okay? Aww.
Hey Watson, do you understand when I'm talking to you? You do? Okay, so I gave you a Chewy, I gave Kiko a Chewy, you ate Kiko's Chewy. So what do we say when we steal someone else's Chewy? What do we say? Do you know? Yes, we say we're sorry. We say we're sorry. You're a good boy, Watson. You're a good boy, Kiko.